A shipment of critically needed medical equipment for the fight against COVID-19 was delivered to Colombia from China, worth $1.5 million. In a press conference, Colombian officials and the Chinese ambassador spoke of having to band together during times of pandemic.
Tanto China como Colombia en ese momento se encuentra.
China and Colombia are in a critical moment of fighting the pandemic and trying to restore normalcy to social and economic life. China is willing with all sincerity to give all the help it can.
The donations include 30,000 COVID-19 testing kits, 700,000 face masks, and other medical gear. The Chinese embassy says food has also been donated for vulnerable families in Colombia. Colombia's foreign minister expressed gratitude for the support and donations that she said came from not just China's central government, but from local governments and China's private sector too. The South American nation has in recent years expanded trade relations with the Asian giant.
Some provinces in China have donated to cities in Colombia, and we have also received donations from Chinese businesses. Ambassador, we want to give our thanks.
During an interview with CGTN, the Chinese ambassador to Colombia said collaboration during a global health crisis goes beyond material donations.
Officials and experts of the public health sector, civilians and doctors from the health centers in both countries have been participating in video conferences to share the experiences and opinions formed by both countries during the pandemic.
Ambassador Lan Hu said the delivery of Chinese aid will be completed by the end of June. Michelle Vega, CGTN, Bogotá, Colombia.